El Niño is a seasonal warming of the Pacific Ocean that upsets normal weather patterns and is causing droughts in Philippines. When El Niño occurs, water shortage is also experienced. Hence, a water rationing is most likely to be implemented by the water providers. As response to this type of scenario, this YouTube channel would like to show you some solutions to address the effect of water rationing brought by water shortage due to El Niño. A person's daily average water consumption is ranging 90 to 120 liters per day. During water rationing, your water consumption needs also to be decreased. Hence, we propose that in every drum storage volume or approximately equivalent to 210 liters, it can cater 2 to 3 persons daily. Say, there are 5 persons in a household, your water storage should be 2 drums. For 7 to 8 persons you need to have 3 drums. I will be showing to you the design on how you can install your storage tank. 1. Find a location with high elevation to position your tank in such a way that water can still fill in during water rationing. If you don't have a location with high elevation, you can construct a pedestal which will entails additional cost. 2. It is ideal that the drum container is above the window header to give good pressure inside your home. 3. After placing the drum container in its position, you can do the plumbing works. You just need to connect T-fittings in this location going to your drum container. Then, connect your 2 drums by creating stub out by putting connection fittings. From the drum, install pipeline returning to your service line, then connect using T-fittings and install valves. This valve needs to be closed to allow the water to enter the drum container. From the drum container, the water will be distributed to your home. By installing float valve in this inlet, you can left your water system overnight because this float valve will automatically close if the drum container is already full. By doing this in your home, you will be spending more or less 7,000 pesos, excluding the construction of pedestal or steel tower for the drum tank. The cost estimate with list of materials is shown on the screen for you to have an idea. If you want the copy of the estimate and the conceptual plan, you may download it from description link. This is just a recommendation from this YouTube channel. The viewers may still use the storage volume they want to adopt. So, when El Niño comes and water rationing has been implemented, you have already the idea on what to do. If you learned something from this video, please subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you for watching.